Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a trading view indicator. Alright, this is going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step will be to select the Pine editor options. So you want to go ahead and select the Pine editor option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the Pine editor page where you can create and edit indicators. The second step will be to create a new indicator. So now that you're on that page, you want to go ahead and create a new indicator and give it a name. And you can also choose from various indicator types, including technical indicators as well as custom indicators. Step 3 will be to write your indicator code. So go ahead and write your indicator code using Pine scripts, and you can use various functions and variables to create your indicator. The fourth and final step will be to test your indicator. So go ahead and test your indicator using historical data, and you can view the indicator results on a chart, and that's going to help you out with all of the details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a trading view indicator. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.